So I heard it was someone's birthday today, and I decided to be kind and give them a little present. So VIP, Yuki, Catty or whatever the fuck your name is, happy birthday.